Hello everyone, in this video, we're gonna read an example of the TCF exam oral expression part 2, where you have to ask questions, okay? You got like 2 minutes to prepare and the exam is 3 minutes 30. 3 minutes 30 where you ask question about a situation. Like in this situation is somebody that comes back from a sport travel, and then you're asking question because you want to do it too, okay? So we're gonna go line by line, and it's gonna be fun. Follow me. Ok. Salut! J'ai entendu dire que tu reviens d'un séjour sportif. C'était où? Okay, so let's go word by word. And by the way, ami is, it's actually you, okay? You're my friend, tu es ami. So, salut is hello. J'ai entendu dire, I have heard, okay? Entendre is to hear, dire is to say, so, and then j'ai is I have. This is passé composé, so it's in the past. So, I have heard that, okay, que is that. Tu reviens, revenir, it's to come back. So, that you are coming back d'un séjour sportif. D'un, de, un, of, a, and then séjour is like a vacation, kinda, like a small vacation. Sportif, like a sportive vacation, sports vacation. C'était où? Where was it? Okay, c'était in the past, imparfait. Où? And C apostrophe refer to it. It was where? C'était où? Okay. So, repeat after me. Salut! J'ai entendu dire que tu reviens d'un séjour sportif. D'un séjour sportif. C'était où? Salut, j'ai entendu dire que tu reviens d'un séjour sportif. C'était où? Okay, that's gonna be the speed. Salut, j'ai entendu dire que tu reviens d'un séjour sportif. C'était où? So, by the way, I made flashcard for every single sentence. You have flashcard of me reading it, and then you have to just like think about what it means. Okay, maybe I should even remove the French version written there. I can put it maybe small and just hear the audio, but that's for later. So then, moi, by the way, moi is moi. That's why it's like that. Maybe I'll change it next time. I'll just remove the names. Oui, je suis allé dans les Alpes françaises. So, if we go word for word, oui, yes. Je suis allé, so it's in passé composé, it's in the past again. I have been, because it's a one-time thing. It's like a finished event. It's like it's not something you did like all your life. Okay, that's why it's passé composé. If it was like when I was a kid, I was going to the Alpes françaises all the time, then you will use imparfait. Je suis allé dans les Alpes françaises. So in the French Alps, which is a snowboarding place, I assume, or a ski or something, mountain. Alp is mountain. Okay, so I have been in the French and then some kind of mountain. Oui, repeat after me. Je suis allé. Here there's a little link. Je suis allé dans les Alpes françaises. Oui, je suis allé dans les Alpes françaises. Ah, ça doit être magnifique. Tu y es resté combien de temps? So, it must be wonderful or beautiful, magnifique. Is that an English word? I'm not sure. Ça doit être magnifique. It must be wonderful. Tu y es resté? Like, You es resté is you stayed there, and then how much time. And you see, I said there. There is the Y, basically. Like the letter Y like this refer to Alpes françaises. Okay? You can always do that if you speak about like your house and then tu y es allé. You can skip re-saying always your house. So you can use the I there. Tu y es resté. And one thing to keep in mind here is you see the verb rester is to stay. Okay, rester à quelque part. To stay. But the verb stay, it's passé composé again. Okay, it's in the past. And since it's a one-time event, it's passé composé. And look at this, it's est. So this is the verb être, the verb to be. Why is it? It's because rester is like it's not a movement, actually, it's to stay, but it's part of the movement verb. So, tu es rentré, tu es allé, tu es rendu. So, those verb of movement, they use the passé composé avec être. Tu y es resté. Combien de temps? How much time? How much of time? So, ça doit être magnifique. Ça doit être magnifique. Tu y es resté combien de temps? Ça doit être magnifique. Tu y es resté combien de temps? Ça doit être magnifique. Tu y es resté combien de temps? And then you respond. J'y suis resté une semaine. And you see, that's already a question here. How much time have you stayed there? That's a question. J'y suis resté une semaine. J'y suis resté. You see, again, j'y suis resté. So it's passé composé with the verb to be because it's resté. And then now it's je. So je suis resté. Before it was tu es. Je suis, tu es, il est. Okay. And then the Y again, j'y suis resté. So les Alpes françaises. Je suis resté aux Alpes françaises une semaine. I have stayed there 1 week. Une semaine. J'y suis resté une semaine. J'y suis resté une semaine. Une semaine, c'est parfait pour en profiter. Quelle activité as-tu faite? Okay, one thing to keep in mind here is that you see how in the example, there is like a reaction to the response. Okay, you asked, how long have you stayed? And then she or he said, I stayed 1 week. And then there's a reaction like, 1 week? It's perfect to enjoy. And then another question, quelle activité as-tu faite? Okay, so this, you will get points with that. Like, you don't want to just blast question back to back, like, combien ça coûte? C'était fun? Quelle activité as-tu fait? Okay, you want to have some human interaction. So, do that, react to the response, little sentence, and then you can ask your question. So, une semaine, 1 week. C'est parfait. It is perfect. C'est parfait. Pour en profiter. To, and then en profiter is going to be to enjoy. To profit from your time. To enjoy your time. Quelle activité as-tu faite? Okay. Which activity have you done? Same as in English, you can reverse you have done, have you done? Okay, you can reverse it to ask your question. So, quelle activité as-tu faite? Which activity have you done? Quelle activité as-tu faite? Une semaine, c'est parfait pour en profiter. Quelle activité as-tu faite? And then, response, j'ai fait de la randonnée, du VTT et de l'escalade. Okay, I have done some randonnée is hiking. Du VTT is ATV, four-wheel, et de l'escalade, escalader. It's to climb, some climbing. So, j'ai fait de la randonnée, du VTT et de l'escalade. J'ai fait de la randonnée, du VTT et de l'escalade. Et là, ici, reaction. L'escalade, ça a l'air génial. Quelle activité as-tu préférée? OK. The climbing, l'escalade, ça a l'air génial. It look awesome. OK. It look awesome. Quelle activité as-tu préférée? What activity have you preferred? What activity have you preferred? So, l'escalade, ça a l'air génial. Quelle activité as-tu préférée? Quelle activité as-tu préférée? J'ai préféré le VTT en montagne. OK, ici, montagne, which is mountain, which is Alpes. So, j'ai préféré, I preferred the VTT, the ATV, in mountain. J'ai préféré le VTT en montagne. J'ai préféré le VTT en montagne. Wow! Ça devait être super amusant. Le séjour coûtait combien? OK. Ça devait. It must. Ici, this is devoir. Devoir is the word for homework. So it's a must. You must do your homework. OK. Ça devait être, to be, super amusant. It must have been super fun. Le séjour coûtait combien? The vacation was costing how much? Okay. How much did the little vacation cost? Ça devait être super amusant. Le séjour coûtait combien? Tup. J'ai payé environ $850 pour la semaine. Okay. J'ai payé. I have paid. Ici, paid is not a movement verb. It's not a movement verb, so it's with avoir, like most of the verb. J'ai payé. I have paid environ, around $850 for the week. $850. $850 pour la semaine. For the week. I paid around $850 for the week. J'ai payé environ 850 piastres or dollars pour la semaine. Piastres is the word we use in Quebec for when we say piastres, 25 piastres, 20 piastres, 40 piastres, or dollars, $25. $25 is maybe more formal. Piastres is like more street. That's why there's a S letter here, street. J'ai payé environ 850 $ pour la semaine. Ce n'est pas si cher pour tout ça. Ce n'est pas si cher pour tout ça. Le prix comprenait-il l'hébergement et les repas? OK. Ce n'est pas. It is not si cher. It is not that expensive for all that. It is not that expensive for all that. The price comprenait. Like, was it including? Comprenait-il? Did it include hébergement? Mean like to stay, the stay? Like the bed and sleeping, the accommodation, like the hotel and stuff like that. Et les repas and the meals. OK. Ce n'est pas si cher pour tout ça. Le prix comprenait-il l'hébergement et les repas? Le prix comprenait-il l'hébergement et les repas? Oui, tout était inclus. Okay. Yes, everything was included. Yes, everything was included. C'est pratique. Est-ce que le séjour convenait aux débutants? It's practical. It is practical. Est-ce que, it's like, do the vacation was appropriate, convenir, like appropriate to the beginners? Okay. It's practical. Does the Vacation was good for beginners, or the word that I said that I just forgot quickly. C'est pratique. Est-ce que le séjour convenait aux débutants? And then it's a little bit like formal how I'm reading, like more like standard French. But last week, somebody told me that his wife did the exam, and she said it was somebody from France. It was like super standard French, normal, zero Quebec accent. So you gotta kind of be ready for both, which I think is what you're gonna get if you follow all my TCF video, because I am from Quebec. I speak super Quebec accent, but having a text written down that is written, the Quebec French written is different than the spoken Quebec French. So it's kind of forcing me to speak like standard French a little bit, but you get some of my accent like naturally because I cannot not have my accent. So it's the best. Here, Quebec French School is the best. Donc, where was I? Oui, il y avait des groupes pour tous les niveaux. Oui, il y avait. Yes, there was. And then I mean de séjour, okay? Or les Alpes. Il y avait. There was some group for every level, every D level, okay? Yes, there was some group for every levels. Oui, il y avait des groupes. Oui, il y avait des groupes pour tous les niveaux. Pour tous les niveaux. Oui, il y avait des groupes pour tous les niveaux. Tant mieux. Ça me rassure. Tu me recommanderais ce séjour? Okay. Tant mieux is like, well, good. Ça me rassure. It reassure me. You see, me is like the me in English. Ça me rassure. It reassure me. Tu me recommanderais ce séjour? Okay. Do you recommend me that vacation? Tu me recommanderais ce séjour? Recommanderais? This is like conditional. Recommanderais. Would you recommend me? Like it's a this ending here is conditional, and it's like the would of English. Like, would you recommend me that vacation? And then oui, sans hésiter, j'ai passé une excellente semaine. So yes, without hesitation, with no hesitation, I have passed. I have passed a excellent week. Okay, oui, sans hésiter. And here you see I do a little bit of like a liaison. Sans hésiter, j'ai passé une excellente semaine. Une excellente semaine. Oui, sans hésiter, j'ai passé une excellente semaine. Okay, so that was the first TCF part 2 video. Okay, I will do much more. And yeah, if you plan on taking the TCF one day and you're learning French, Quebec French, I'm making it pretty beginner. Like we're going slow through it. I have all the flashcards. Every sentence we read, okay, they're available. Quebec French School. So let's do some just to refresh. You just went through this 20-minute video. Now, do you remember the first thing that we saw? So, oui, je suis allé dans les Alpes françaises. What does that mean? Okay, aller. And you see here, oh, it was être, so it's a verb of movement. I have been in the French mountains. Pretty really easy, actually.
L'escalade, ça a l'air génial.
L'escalade, ça a l'air génial. What is escalade? Okay. Climbing. It looked amazing. It looked awesome. Climbing, it looked awesome.
Oui, tout était inclus.
Oui, tout était inclus. You see, there's a liaison here. I didn't note it when I was speaking, but tout était. See, the T's become here, kind of. Tout était inclus. So, yes, everything was included. Everything was included.
J'ai
Last
passé
one.
une excellente semaine.
Ok, j'ai passé une excellente semaine. I pass. Is that something we say in English? Oh, I passed a really good week. I don't think so, but it's like a pastime, to pass the time. So I pass. Oh, in a car, you pass around. So anyway, you went through a excellent week. I went through. Okay, went through here. So, all right, this is it. You're the best. Okay, you will succeed that TCF exam. I believe in you. And see you later. Peace.